am so excited. Peace to you. I'm super excited for another video for today. And it's really about the COVID testing, right? So, as you know, COVID has been surging across the US. And so the government has actually provided a free website where you can get four COVID tests per household. Now, this is important to me because you may not know, but I actually had COVID. Okay. I don't know why I got so sad about it, but I did. But it was help of my best friend because I was like, girl, I was like, I got a cold. I ain't got COVID. I got cold. Okay. And it wasn't until she gave me like this one. Now, this might not be the one that the government sends you, but this is the one that she gave to me. I have an extra box here, and it literally saved my life because I was like, girl, I'll just have a cold. I'll be okay. And the next thing, I was in the hospital. So we don't want that for you or your family. And we don't even want any type of, we just want to make sure that it's a preventative measure, okay? I don't want anything, negative. I only want peace and blessings for you. But I do know that I can be stubborn. And I was like, nah, I ain't got that. I ain't got nothing. And so, whether you have had the shot, the vaccine, I don't know why I said it like that. Whether you had the vaccine or not, honey, you can still go ahead and get this COVID, okay? So this isn't going to be a back and forth of who had the vaccine and who didn't have the vaccine. This is about how to get the test to see if you have COVID. And if you do, please quarantine and stay at home and put your mask on, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and move to a video. And this video will show you just really quickly how you can find it online. So check it out. Okay, so if you would like to order a free COVID home test kit, you can go to covidtest.gov. Once you come here, you can go ahead and click the order at free home test. Please know, based upon what the site is saying, and it is a U.S. Government official site, says that the orders will ship in 7 to 12 days. It's going to be by USPS. And they have some information down here too, if you need any additional, COVID testing details about the order. Basically, it's a rapid antigen at-home test, not PCR. Can be taken anywhere. The results are within 30 minutes. It works whether or not you have COVID-19 symptoms or if you're up to date on your vaccines, and also refer to self-test or over-the-counter tests. Basically, it's telling you when you should take an at-home test, what to do if you're positive or negative, and then it's basically just saying, testing is one step you can protect yourself and others. All right, so then we're going to click order at free home test. It's going to take you to USPS site. Basically, you're going to place your order for the free at home test by placing your name and information, and then of course you can put first and last name as above. This Privacy Act statement is basically saying that you're supplying your information voluntary, if you can see that there. And then basically they don't disclose your information to third parties without your consent, except to act on your behalf or request, or is legally required. So let's just be honest. This has, if you can look at the bottom, they're going to give your information potentially to a U.S. Postal Service auditor. So let's not take more than the free ones, the free 4 ones by household. Because if you get audited, I'm not quite certain what that looks like. But it did say law enforcement purposes, so I wouldn't take any chances. But other than that, it's pretty simple to go ahead and order. The total for your cost today will be $0. So it's absolutely free. Go ahead and take it because this would ensure the safety of not only yourself, but your others, your children. It's not you literally taking the vaccine. It's just you testing to make sure that you are not positive. And if you are, then the other site, if you go back to covidtest.gov, will tell you steps that you can take, for the safety of you and your loved ones. All right. So that's it for this portion. Okay, so that was super simple, right? Yay! We all know how to get the COVID test now. So make sure that you order yours for you and your family. And if you would like to connect with me, make sure you subscribe, okay? It's like New Year. I don't know when you're watching this, but it's the new year now. And, I'm feeling good and feeling so much better and ready to do more videos. So I would love to have you a part of the Divine family. So if you would like to subscribe, watch more videos, make sure that you do, okay? And I wish you a very amazing day, a blessed day, and I hope this video helped you and your family get your free test. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.